Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial series in Android development. So today we're gonna talk about Android Toast. So what is Toast? A Toast is a piece of information that will pops up on the screen and it will disappear automatically at a certain period of time. So how to make a toast? The syntax for this is capital T O A S T toast dot make text. And it needs a three parameters. One is the context. The context for this is getApplication.context. The second one is the actual text. I'm gonna say this is a toast. The third one is the duration and how long you want to display the text. I'm gonna say toast that long. And don't forget about this method that show, because without this it will not show on your screen. So to show this toast, we need a button that we're gonna click to show the toast. So let's go to activity main.xml, grab that button, add a constraint to the right, to the left, and I'm gonna connect this to the text view. And I want to change the color of this button. Doesn't matter if you don't want. Oh, that's the text, not the background. I want to change the background. Well, I like this. And the text color, I'm going to say white. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And let's grab this button in our activity main. In our main activity.java class. Private button, btn toast, and define view ID. Find view ID r.id that button 3 is the ID. And we're gonna set a click listener for this button. Gonna say set on click listener, type new, capital O, and press enter. We're gonna cut this toast and paste it here. So let's see what will happen. So here guys, our application. If I click this button, the toast will pops up. So this is a toast. And at the default, it positioned at the near bottom of the screen. So, but you can change the position of that. But first, you need to create a toast variable. So I'm gonna say, I'm going to type the toast class and the variable name and toast that make text. The context of this, the actual message. This is another toast. And the length or duration of the toast that long, and semicolon. This is how you set the gravity of the toast. You need to type toast that set gravity method, and it needs a three parameters. First is the gravity. I'm gonna say gravity that if you want to place it at the center of the screen, type center. And the x-axis, for now I'm gonna say 0. The y-axis, I set it to 0 for now. And don't forget about this, the toast that show. Comment this out and apply changes. Gonna click this, so you see it's now in the center of the screen. And And I think I want to place it at the top. So how can I gonna do this? And actually it's very simple. I'm gonna say negative 100. It means that minus 100 to the top. So it goes up a little bit. I'm gonna add more. Let's say 800. So it's basically at the top of the screen. And so basically this Y offset is for up and down, and the Y offset is for right and left. So I think that's it, guys. If this video was helpful, don't forget to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe on my channel. See you on the next future lesson. Thank you guys, and thanks for watching.